many of us have come across this problem. So you try to do something about it, and then you get this page, and you contact the local agency for a code. And you try and phone, you get no answer. You try remind me later. And you're stuck in a loop. What do you do? Well, I'll show you, because I've come across the best workaround that you will find to get a perfectly operating Windows XP system. So shut your computer down. So you have to force it down for this. Restart it back up and press S8. So use the arrow keys to come up and start the computer in safe mode. Enter. Then start in administrator and use your passcode or password. Select yes. So you're in safe mode, and you can actually access your files from here if you have important documents that you want to retrieve from your computer. But if you want to put your computer, your XP computer, into normal working mode, this is how you do it. Right click, left click, open the Run menu. When you open the Run box menu, type this line of code into that Run box menu exactly as you see it here, with no gaps, using capital letters, commas and full stops where you see it in this code, and then press OK. Restart. And now, as you can see, you have a perfectly operating Windows XP. What you've actually done with that line of code is turn the internal clock within the computer or within the motherboard back 30 days. So you have 30 days use of Windows, and at the end of that 30-day period you can do exactly what I've just shown you, and it will turn it back continually at 30 days. So that is how you work around Windows XP license key, which is no longer supported or provided by Windows. So it doesn't leave you stranded without your XP computer. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and press like and come back and see one of my other videos. So thank you for watching. Hope it's been a help to you. Bye for now.